Hello everyone, this is Shadil Khan and today we are going to start with the second session of possessive adjective, in which I am going to show you the translation of our and their. So in the previous class I told you the translation of my, your, his and her. So his and her is su, your is tu and my is me. For our it is going to be nuestro, N-U-E-S-T-R-O, nuestro. And if a girl is saying our money, so you are going to write nuestra, just add a instead of that. And for there it is again going to be su, so it's his money or their money, so it is going to be su. So it's very easy. So now here we have Donald Trump is not our president, so I'm going to translate this. Donald Trump is not, no s, our is nuestro, N-U-E-S-T-R-O, nuestro. President is presidente, P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T-E, presidente. Donald Trump no es nuestro presidente, he is their president. So for he we will write L, for is we will write S, there, for there we write su, and for president it is presidente, this presidente. President of United States, presidente de, presidente, this president, you can write presidente de United States. So again you are going to crisscross this and you are going to write, for states we have estado. So states it's a plural, so estados, state estado, you can write, you can remember this word. And United is unidos, Estados Unidos, estado, and if you are going to make it plural, add s, Estados Unidos, U-N-I-D-O-S, Estados Unidos, Estados Unidos. Now here we have Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is our president. So Vladimir Putin es nuestro, N-U-E-S-T-R-O, nuestro presidente, E-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T-E, presidente. He is their president. Is our president, he is not their president. So L, for you will write L with a tilde, L, no S, their president. For their president it will be su, president is presidente, P-R-E-S-I-D-E-N-T-E, presidente. He is the president of Russia. L, S, L, presidente de Rusia, R-U-S-I-A, Rusia. L S L, presidente de Rusia. So Batman is with his car. So again in the lecture of Al-Habibi I told you that Al-Habibi, in which the Al-Habibi was on the camel. So I told you that he is situated on the camel. So again here we have we are not talking about the permanent characteristics, that this car is black or the man is good. So we are talking about a location. So here again when we talk about a location, I told you in my previous slide also that we use esta. So here also we are going to use esta. So Batman, for is we will use esta, and the word for with in Spanish is con, C-O-N, con. For his we will write su, black car. So again it's an adjective, so we will crisscross, rule of crisscross from my previous lecture. First we will write coche, con su coche, C-H-O-C-H-A, coche, negro, N-E-G-R-O. The word for black is negro. Their car is grey in color. So again the word for color is color. For grey it is gris. Car is coche. And for there we are going to use su. Su coche. Su, S-U, su, C-O-C-H-E, coche. S. For grey we will write gris. G-R-I-S, gris. In, for in we use N. Color, C-O-L-O-R. So coche is gris in color. And its engine is old. E, for it's also he, she, it's, su. For engine we use the word motor, M-O-T-O-R, motor. S, es. For old, I told you in my previous slide that it is viejo. V-I-E-J-O. Viejo. Our grandfather is old. For our, we will use nuestro. N-U-E-S-T-R-O. Nuestro. The word for grandfather is abuelo. Abuelo. A-B-U-E-L-O. Abuelo. For is, we will use es. For old is viejo. Viejo. The word for young is joven. Joven. J-O-V-E-N. Joven. But, pero, P-E-R-O. Pero, their cousin. There is su. I told you the word for cousin, that is primo, primera. The first person, the prime person, you are going to tell your problem. That was the memory key. Cousin is primo. So primo, P-R-I-M-O. Primo. Primo or prima. Prima. Es joven. J-O-V-E-N. Joven. Our son is a samurai. So for son there is a word hijo. Hijo. H-I-J-O. And for daughter we have hija. Hija. H-I-J-A. Hija. For our we will use nuestro. Nuestro hijo. H-I-J-O. Hijo es un samurai. Samurai. But their daughter is not a samurai. Pero there, for there we will use su. For daughter we will use hija. H-I-J-A. Hija. No es una samurai. M-U-R-A-I. Samurai. So now here we have our grandson is a ninja, but their granddaughter is not a ninja. So for their grandson, we have the word nieto. Nieto. And for granddaughter we have the word nieta. Nieta. So for there we will write su. Grandson is nieto. Nieto es un ninja. J-A. Ninja. Ninja. For but is pero. Su nieta. Nieta. No es una ninja. Ninja. Because we are talking about a girl ninja. So una ninja. So this is the last slide. Our father-in-law is a Spartan. So the word for sister-in-law and father-in-law is suegro, suegra. And for sister-in-law is cuñada, cuñada. So for my, we write me. Father-in-law is suegro, suegro, suegra. G-R-O. Suegro es un Spartan. Spartan. But pero su. There is su. Sister-in-law, cuñada. Cuñada is not a Spartan. No es una Spartana. S-P-A-R-T-A-N-A. Spartana. Mi suegro es un Spartan, pero su cuñada no es una Spartana. So this is the end of this lecture. So in the next class I am going to come up with a new session. So until then, thank you everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.